Hey guys, today I'm taking you on a ride using a Kokkok, rather it's called a Kokkok, right here in Vientiane, Laos, and I'm here with my buddies. This is Maurice and
Jose Pepe.
Jose.
Yeah, the man.
So one of you commented on my video recommending that the best way to ride around Vientiane, Laos is to use a Kokkok. So today I said I'm gonna give it a try. So let's enjoy the ride. I think this is a better version of a tuk-tuk. It's more spacious and more comfortable. This particular one is a 3-seater, but others are 6-seaters. You could simply download their mobile app on both Android and iOS.
Takiriza kumunyigira mutoke.
Alira ko
mumabali bonna batulamu ayongerako mateeka nawe.
We are heading to a food market near the reclining Buddha. I was there yesterday, so I'm taking my friends over there so they could also have the experience what I experienced. This is what the traffic looks like right now. And the time is, let me check the time. It's about 3:40, almost 4.
Maximum recording so in that place.
So my trip says it will cost me about 28,000 feet, and I'm heading right here next to the reclining border. This is where the reclining border is, and this is where the museum is, Tat Luang Museum, and the reclining border is right over here at Tat Luang Thai. This is one of the best ways to travel within the capital. They also have a supermarket. If you're enjoying the city tour, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and leave a comment down below giving your thoughts or any recommendations or places we could visit. So this is what it looks like right now. The sun is really hot outside here. Let me ask my buddy what he thinks of the tuk-tuk. Hey Jose.
Yeah, man.
What do you think of the Kokkok?
Kokkok is good, it's very comfortable.
Yeah.
Most especially when it's hot like this.
Yeah.
It gives us good air. We are not feeling hot much. So I think it's better. Yeah.
It is actually better because there's enough aeration. As you can see, there's no walling and if it's raining, they've got these layers of material to take you from the rain. I think we should be arriving at our destination in about 10 to 12 minutes. 10 to 12 minutes. So from the app I see we're almost arriving. You can monitor your movement on your mobile phone app. I'm glad to have experienced a Kokkok and the recommendation from someone in one of my videos. Thank you. I appreciate your time.
New.
Chắc là được rồi. Cái xem về museum.
Again, a museum.
Không có luôn museum.
I can't go to all of them.
Sinawusa ku negotiating naye
ate kinawe sedi lwina kyalo ndia
sente ziri mu app wano ziraga era zobuusa
naye nze kanyumidde bange nange
tekufuna kweso okuddayo gendere ku gundi
njagala tusigalemu tetuvaamu tugende eri gundi mu pagoda
agendako mu pagoda
oba omuwadde 10,000
tusaide butono naawe aja tujjako emitwalo nga 10
katutuuke tulabe zijja kweraga wano kukuwa so finally arrived at our destination. Yeah.
This was said 28.
Yeah.
You want to lose it, say the 28.
ai bảo mùi xe không
So we're finally here, and the journey was 28,000. Very, very, very affordable. I highly recommend you try it out.